The world of desktop monitors has been stuck in a time capsule. Since March 2022, Apple has asked us to pay $1,600 for a 60Hz SDR panel that, let's be honest, feels a little bit like a relic from 2019. But the wait is over. As we move into the first half of 2026, the leaks have shifted from if to when. The Apple Studio Display 2 isn't just a spec bump. It is a fundamental shift in how Apple views the desktop experience. If you are a creative professional, a video editor, or even a coder in the US right now, you've probably been looking at those Samsung or Dell OLED monitors with envy. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But you stay for the ecosystem. You stay for the 5K resolution and the integration. Well, Apple has finally decided to reward your loyalty. According to internal iOS 26 code and regulatory filings for a new model number, A3350, the Studio Display 2 is about to destroy every other monitor in its class. This is everything we know about the display that's going to redefine your desk. The Mini LED migration, deeper blacks, higher stakes. Let's start with the biggest upgrade. The current Studio display uses a standard IPS LCD. It's fine, but in a world of OLED iPhones and Mini LED MacBooks, fine doesn't cut it anymore. The Studio Display 2 is officially moving to Mini LED backlighting. Why is this the game changer? It's all about local dimming zones. We are looking at a panel that can reach 1600 nits of peak HDR brightness. Imagine editing HDR video or grading photos where the blacks are actually black, not a muddy gray. This puts the Studio Display 2 on par with the Liquid Retina XDR displays on the high-end MacBook Pros. You will finally have a consistent visual experience when you plug your laptop into your monitor. No more color shifting. No more brightness shock. Just pure, cinematic precision. The 120 Hz ProMotion miracle. For years, the biggest insult to the Studio display was the 60 Hz refresh rate. In 2026, even entry-level smartphones have high refresh rates. Apple's internal code, codenamed J527, has confirmed what we've been begging for. ProMotion is coming to the Studio Display 2. We are talking about a variable refresh rate that can scale from 24 Hz for movies all the way up to 120 Hz for scrolling and UI animations. If you've never used a 120 Hz monitor, it's hard to describe. It makes the entire OS feel ink-like. It's smoother, it reduces eye strain, and for video editors working on high frame rate projects, it is an absolute necessity. Apple is finally giving us the fluidity that the Studio name implies. The A19 Brain, a smartphone inside a monitor. Now, why on earth would a monitor need an A19 chip? The original model had an A13, which was already overkill for a screen. But the Studio Display 2 is being designed for the era of Apple Intelligence. The A19 chip isn't just there to run the webcam. It's there to handle on-device AI processing for spatial audio, center stage, and a brand new feature rumored to be adaptive audio calibration. The monitor will use its microphone array to listen to your room and physically tune the speakers in real time to match your acoustics. It's essentially a high-end HomePod built into your screen, powered by the same silicon that's going into the next iPhone.